Namaskaram everyone. So welcome back to the podcast. So today we have our dear Kanika Akka with us. Namaskaram Akka.
Namaskaram, Anna.
Yes, Akka. So today the question is, which I get sometimes oftenly, is can women and kids wear Rudraksh Mala?
Okay, great. I'm glad you're asking this question, Anna, because I also get asked this that can women, and especially mainly the concern is that women during their menstrual cycle, if they can wear the Rudraksh, and that's the major concern. So I'll go step by step, and we'll also talk about the benefits of Rudraksh and how to take care of your Rudraksh also. So the first is I'll talk about kids wearing a Rudraksh. Kids can definitely wear a Rudraksh. For kids under 12 years of age, there is a special Rudraksh that is recommended, which is known as the Shanmukhi Rudraksh. Now, Shanmukhi means 6 faces. Shan is for 6 and Mukhi is Mukh or face. Now, when a Rudraksh bead has 6 faces, it is a Shanmukhi Rudraksh. And Sadhguru said that that is ideal for children to wear. Kids should definitely be wearing a Shanmukhi Rudraksh. It has several benefits for them. Now let's talk about women wearing a Rudraksh. Yes, definitely women can wear Rudraksh. I'm wearing a Rudraksh myself. Um, for everyone, actually, everybody who's on the spiritual path, a Rudraksh can be a very powerful support. And the Rudraksh that is safe for everyone to wear, irrespective of their gender or their age, is the Panchmukhi Rudraksh. So Panchmukhi would mean Panch matlab means 5 and Mukhi means face again. So 5-faced Rudraksh. So the 5-faced Rudraksh mala is, I'll just show it to you. So this is the one that I have, and these beads are Panchmukhi beads. Okay, so you can wear simply a mala with this. That's completely safe for you to wear, even if you're whether you're in a domestic situation. It is completely safe for you to wear a Panchmukhi mala. I'm also going to talk a little bit about this bead in the center. This is, if you can see, it's 2 beads fused together. This is known as the Gauri Shankar. It's white because of sweat. It tends to happen with the Rudraksh. So that's completely normal. Don't worry if this has happened to your Rudraksh. So this is Gauri Shankar. And this bead in particular, Sadhguru says, is really helpful for balancing your energy system. So it brings a balance between your chakras, and it brings a balance to your energy system. So this is a Rudraksh that I have personally found very supportive. So I've been wearing this for more than 3 years now, and I really feel different when I'm wearing it. Like if on a day I've removed it, I can feel a difference when I'm not wearing my Rudraksh. And the reason for that is that Rudraksh is very energy sensitive. So when you wear a Rudraksh, and why it is such a support on the spiritual path is because it helps to keep your energies more together. If For people who travel a lot, you might notice that, when you're sleeping in a new place, it's very difficult to fall asleep often. So if you're wearing a Rudraksh, that becomes much easier because your energies are more intact in a certain way. It builds like a cocoon of energy around you. So that also protects you from any negative energy that might be around you. So it's very powerful. It's a very good support for everyone. Just a few things that you have to keep in mind when wearing a Rudraksh. The first is that when you get a new Rudraksh, you must condition it. So you condition it in ghee and milk. The instructions come with the Rudraksh. You can go over that. And the second thing is that you do this conditioning again every 6 months so that the Rudraksh beads do not dry up. So it helps to keep the Rudraksh conditioned. You should also change the string every 6 months so that that doesn't break in the
Yes.
future. I think you haven't been doing it.
2 years, 2 years. It's not. I have to change it.
Maybe now you should do it. We should ensure that Vaisakhana conditions and restricts his
I have
Rudraksh.
conditioned, but restricting I haven't.
Okay. And the other thing is, if you're showering, make sure you do not expose your Rudraksh to hot water or to any chemical. So especially if you're showering with hot water, don't wear your Rudraksh. And if you use chemical soap or shampoo on your body, then don't wear your Rudraksh while showering. Other than that, you can wear this all the time. Women can wear this even during their menstrual cycle. There's no restriction. There's no guidelines in India for this. And lastly, when you get your Rudraksh, make sure you get it from a trustworthy source, because often they say that there are a lot of fake Rudrakshas available in the market. So make sure you get it from a trustworthy source. That's all I want to say.
So thank you, Akka. So I will link our trustworthy source Isha Life website in the description. So, so Akka, where can people reach out to you for programs and general queries?
Okay, sure. So if you have, if you are in Gurgaon or Delhi NCR area, and if you would like to learn Hatha Yoga practices like Surya Kriya, Angamardana, Yogasanas, Bhuta Shuddhi, you can reach out to me at Nisarga Hatha Yoga. So the studio is in Sector 45 in Gurgaon. You can reach out to me at kanika.hatyoga on Instagram. So if you can drop me a message about the programs, I'm usually responsive within a day or 2 or 3. Sometimes I will try and respond to you. But otherwise, all information is on my Instagram. I've made a lot of videos also which are related to Hatha Yoga, so you can see those. And I have a YouTube channel which is Nisarga Hatha Yoga, which you can also follow. There are a lot of videos there as well. I'm trying to put some content which is helpful. And yeah, that's it. And if you would like to email me, nisargahathayoga@gmail.com. I can put the
And for
email address.
online programs and food programs.
Yes, yes. Online programs, if you would like to learn the beginners yoga practices online, if you're in a different uh, place other than Delhi NCR, and if you would like to learn the food programs as well, attend the food programs about yogic food and diet, then I, along with 2 other Hatha Yoga teachers, have started a venture known as Align Me, which is specifically for the online yoga, meditation, and food programs. And those details are also going to be available with Vaisakh. Specifically, the food programs, there are programs for spinal health, there are programs for overall well-being. These are all beginners yoga practices combined with meditations and food sessions, where not only do we talk to you about yogic diet principles, and we also share a meal plan of the week for you, a healthy yogic pranic meal plan. And we also do live cook along. So in every session, we cook one of the recipes from the meal plan, and we share the ingredients with you beforehand, so you can come prepared for the class, and then we can all cook together. And these are really fun sessions, and everybody really enjoys them. So we look forward to seeing you there.
Awesome, Akka. So I'll link everything in the description, guys. The Align Me, Kanika Akka's page, and everything. So thank you, Akka. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you, everyone. I hope this was helpful. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.